What's up, guys? In this video, we're making smoked wild turkey buffalo mac and cheese.
The first step in this recipe is to fill your hopper with Bear Mountain BBQ pellets, then preheat your pellet grill to 250 degrees. While it's preheating, we'll take our pasta and boil it according to package directions. Then in the same pot, we'll add in a 1/4 cup of butter, let it melt, then add in a 1/4 cup of flour, whisking constantly to form a roux. We'll whisk that mixture together for a few minutes, then we'll slowly add in our milk, trying to keep a thick consistency as it cooks. Once we've finished adding 2.5 cups of milk, we can add in 4 ounces of cream cheese and let it start melting. Then we'll add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 cup of buffalo sauce. Mix it together, turn off the heat, and add in a cup of shredded Colby Jack and a 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar. Mix it together, then we're ready to assemble our mac and cheese. For the mac and cheese, we'll take our cooked noodles, about 3 to 4 cups of cooked wild turkey meat, then we'll pour our cheese sauce over top and mix it till it's even. Then we'll sprinkle panko breadcrumbs and the remaining cheddar cheese and sprinkle some additional hot sauce over top. Then we'll place our mac and cheese into the smoker and cook it for about 45 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. If you want to make this recipe at home, be sure to get Bear Mountain BBQ Pellets and then head over to jendanella.com/wildgamerecipes.